Yeah.
His story was
But
really
they
good.
still didn't explain anything about the breath of the sun.
Yeah, the breath of stun was still not explained. And dude, the last arc, Tanjiro was evolving like crazy, bro. Tanjiro went from fucking Charmander to Charizard, bro. I'm telling
Charizard
you,
real quick. He went to
bro.
Mega
Yeah,
Charizard.
he went to Mega
Mega
Charizard.
Evolution Charizard.
Bro, he went to the giant Charizard, the thing they're doing right now in Sword and Shield, whatever.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, what the fuck? I was like, dude, every other move, like especially when he was fighting Muzan, every move was like a new move, dude. Like I was like, oh, no, but
Yeah, basically.
the first Demon Moon he was cool. He was using, even that guy was using moves like crazy. It was like I think
Yeah,
he
he
went to
was.
form 16, 17. He went from 1, 2,
I don't
3,
remember
4.
that.
Like every page, I think he was using like form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? I think he went up
my
to
God,
he went up to 16 fighting them. And I was like, yo, what the fuck?
I just googled the moon to just see his face,
Uh-huh.
and I saw a picture of Madara Uchiha as this guy.
My God. Well,
But yeah, I
from
don't. Yeah,
behind I could
he
see
has
the
a lot of
similarity.
forms.
Yeah, dude, but this guy like goes crazy, right? Because he can use the Demon Slayer like breaths. He can use breaths,
Yeah.
and he
Yeah,
can
he
also
can use
use
the
the
breaths,
Blood
yeah.
Demon arts. So I was like, yo,
Yeah.
this guy is like crazy
Yeah,
strong.
this guy was real OP, man. This guy
Yeah.
was really, really OP.
But in the end, he took himself down. Like if you think about it, right? He killed himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he it was basically like a pain moment where he realized he's like, I see, I shall kill myself now. It was a very pain moment, if you think about it.
Yeah, yeah, but that's because of his brother as well, right? His brother really made him rethink life in general.
Exactly. And in the end,
So it's like-
that part was
if-
cool.
if I'm-
He realized like his brother, even old, like was like so much better than him, and that he hated that,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. What were you saying?
Wait, isn't this guy dies because he's about to come back, but then he gives up or something?
Yeah,
or
he's
is that
about to
someone
come
else?
back. Yeah, he's about to come back.
Yeah,
And then he realizes like, damn, I was looking for this all along. And he basically got rid of his envy, and he was satisfied or not satisfied with what he had achieved, right? And in the end, he was like, yes, I think it's time for me to finally go. I've been cursed trying to get better and live like this. But what my brother was in that stage, I think, was like the happiest.
yeah.
So basically, he thought always lived under the shadow of his brother, basically. I think that's what it was.
Yeah, I mean, makes sense, don't it? Yeah, he
Yeah,
went
he
up to
did.
16 forms.
Yeah, he went. I remember because every page I was like, okay, he's using form 1, now 2, now 3. I was counting, dude. I was counting, and I was like, yo, what the fuck? Like, that's crazy. Yeah, but he was cool.
Yeah, he's really overpowered. I mean, so many people died fighting this guy.
Oh,
though.
dude, I felt so bad. And yeah, didn't Genya also die fighting him? Yeah, Genya,
he
the
was
last
fighting.
bullet, because
Yeah, he tries
Genya,
to shoot him, and then
the Earth Pillar, the Wind Pillar.
no, the Earth Pillar dies fighting Muzan.
No, he doesn't die. I was talking about who was fighting him.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Earth, Wind, Genya, and like Genya was, I think even Gyu was fighting, or the Mist. I don't remember who. One of them.
No, the other one,
The snake.
Tomi.
No, the snake was not. I don't remember, dude.
Snake guy was also fighting this guy. I
Yeah,
think.
and they all were trying to kill him, and he's like basically single-handedly fighting off the pillars.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
And
No, but see, if it makes sense, because his brother, what's his brother's name?
whose brother?
I forgot his name. The first
The first. Genya.
demon's brother.
Genya. Oh, the first demon's
No,
brother.
first-
Oh, I don't know his
Yeah,
brother's name.
Yorichi.
Okay.
Yoriichi.
Yeah.
So basically, Yoriichi is the one who that machine was modeled after with the 6 hands and 6 swords.
Yeah.
So it makes sense that that this guy should be at least able to handle the pillars on his own.
Yeah, that's true.
Because like otherwise, what's the point if he? But then again, there's still such a huge difference between Yoriichi and this guy, because he's able to cut him in one slash. Like imagine being so old that you're literally about to die and you still manage to get one cut out your brother's neck.
That's
And
crazy.
you're like, and then you just go.
And he tells the Mist Pillar also, right? Because he can use the breath of the moon. He's like, you're one of my family, so
Yeah.
I need to take you, like, see how good you are, or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he shits all over him
Oh,
and
dude,
kills him.
crazy. Dude, people die, like they drop like left, right in that like last arc. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
Like, and dude,
Even against Muzan, like one thing I didn't understand is when
fuck.
they look at Muzan, They're like, he has 3 hearts and
Dude,
4
I'm
brains
like,
and 5 stomachs and
I
all.
was like, yo, what is
I'm like,
this
how-
creature? Dude, Muzan
How does it work?
Muzan pops like 5 times the amount of rare candies that Tanjiro does in the
Yeah,
end,
I
I'm
know,
telling
right?
you. For sure, dude. He goes from 0 to 2000, dude. I was like, what the fuck? He's too powerful. He's just like,
Yeah, like you at least think there should be some other way. Like if you cut off his head, it just
dude,
regrows.
Muzan
like,
becomes like Thanos, dude. He's like flicking people away, dude. I'm like,
I know, right? And in the end, he just injects everything into Tanjiro. He's like, yes, you are now my
yeah,
offspring.
dude. Okay, yeah, that part was okay. So I was like, okay, they're dying, and then he turns Tanjiro into a demon, and I'm like, what the fuck? And apparently Nezuko is human again. Like Nezuko is
Yeah.
back, I guess. Like
Yeah.
somehow. And
Apparently.
Muzan
That
had
just
come.
happens so randomly again, right?
Muzan had come to look for Nezuko, but she was chilling like with the teacher, right?
Yeah, somewhere far
Yeah.
away. Yeah.
And then she's back and she's like, yes, I must save you. Yes, Shonen, I must Shonen you. I must save you, my brother, demon, you have saved me. And I'm like, okay, I guess I continue.
Yes, and
reading.
she's walking and she's like, my name is Nezuko. I'm like, you still knew that?
Yeah.
Your brother kept saying Nezuko, Nezuko, Nezuko. Are you like that dumb that you don't even realize that
Dude,
your brother is calling
Don't
you with your
spoil a
name?
Shonen moment, okay? Like, my name is
My God.
Nezuko. And you are Tanjiro, my
Now
brother.
who's simping for Nezuko?
And I
huh?
shall give you a hug and save you.
Yeah, I mean that. Okay. At least when Nezuko became a demon, Tanjiro at least held her down.
Yeah.
Okay, tried to fight against her. When Tanjiro became a demon, Nezuko is just like, oh, our brother must hug you. Like what?
Yeah, I was like, what the hell? To try to understand that shit. But what can why do they do this, dude? I don't know if she was under pressure to finish it or not, but it was going so well, but it had to end like this in disappointment. I don't know why. Like
It was
I'm still
disappointing.
excited to follow the anime because the anime did a much better job. And I'm looking forward to like the fight scenes in the anime because it's going to be really good. I know that.
Yeah, of course.
But after we moved on to the manga, it just went downhill.
Yeah.
Yeah, the anime got hyped us up, and the manga like just got us downhill.
I think it's mainly the ending though, and not.
Yeah, I think
not
it's also
everything.
the
Not
pace.
everything is bad. It's mainly the ending.
No, yeah, it's the ending and the fight scenes. The show is still good.
Yeah,
Like
fight
the
scenes
show is
were-
amazing. Like bro, like tell people why do you think people should like read the manga over like good points. Let's not shit on it anymore. We have shat on it a lot for an hour
Okay.
or so.
Again, the only bad points are is the ending.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
like the ending.
yeah.
But otherwise, drawn really well. Lot of
Really
attention
beautifully
to detail,
drawn, yeah.
Lot of interesting characters. But I think the anime just makes everything better, man. There's nothing wrong with the manga, but the anime makes it better. That's all I can say.
Yeah, the anime does.
Anime makes it much better.
Even like the fight scenes with Tamako, you know, when they're with the dodgeball girl and the arrow guy.
Yeah.
That fight scene is done really well. Like they show it really well.
And I'm still going to watch all the movies and anime series that come out for this. Yeah.
We are really excited for the
basically-
movie. The movie, we can't wait to get our hands on it. I don't know when we'll get to watch it because we are in India right now. But
That's true.
please,
We are never going to know.
please, Japan.
Hopefully this year. Otherwise,
Yeah,
maybe next year.
please, Japan. Please, India. Improve your relations so we can get Japanese movies here
Yes, please.
for the weebs.
Okay, my card is full.
Yeah.
So I'll just switch my card real quick for the last part of